Hi, this is Sabri. Today we talk about that some five topics. That is green chemistry. Green chemistry. That means if we use the many chemicals in the factory, but the wastage of the chemicals are put into the river banks. For example, iron factories. They using the chemicals and to renew and making the perfect iron ore to using the per kg of making iron is using the 1,000 liters of water from the rivers. Chemicals are also used in the to purifying the perfect iron ore. The wastage of the chemicals is put in the rivers. If we example, if we use in the very dress coloring factories, okay, if we use the chemicals in a proper purification, that will that will make us to money from it will grow the economic one. That waste chemical will be used in as a reusable product. If we, for example, the chemicals, if we burn the chemical waters in the hundreds of degrees Celsius, the water is going to be water is going to vaporize. That chemical will be settled in the down places, and after that we use that further process and next reusable sections to give the products in that we can use that product begin also. If we use mostly we use the synthetic property. That synthetic property will should be a reusable one. Okay, next one is physics astronomy in space. How was the physics astronomy in space? The in our earth our material is 20 kgs. In moon it will be changed. Our gravitational power will be changed also from the each and every compound atoms, combined planets or dwarf planets also. If we recently they find the new Earth-like galaxy, new galaxies in that place, there are many water molecules are present there. In some plants also, trees and plants are maybe present in the astronomy by astronomers. In future, if there is a place, if China is trying to make bricks in moon, how it will break, how it will work out. It trying to pressure making machines and go and settle in the moon, their machines, and make it a perfect high pressure. It make a strong stone. In the China is in future in 2029. It will make a house in moon also. They will they will flag their flags in moon also, and they will say moon is ours, moon is not ours, moon is China's. In future maybe present. Next, mm, presently we use the robots in many places, like our hands. If for example, handicapped, if they if accidentally handicapped in some in bus accidents also, train flight also, if they will be handicapped, the robot will be changed the and give the solution to our handicapping situations. How it will change our situations, because it will connect our nervous system and also the hand also. If my hand is cut into two pieces, and after the dead of the hand is, I can make the new robotic hands with connection of my nervous system. Okay, it will change our lifestyle also. In future, our leg lasers and hand lasers can make the new legs, new hands with the robotic systems. Okay, but have a threat. If the hacking system may going to hack that system also. If one could not kill someone, but if you hack that system, hack the leg, hack the hacks, uh, robotic robotic hands and legs, you can try to kill that persons with the hacking system. It will be a threatened one in our societies. Next is paper. In future, presently Japan is the top number one in the robotic system, but in future the China will be change that system. But China, my guess is possible, the Iran, Afghanistan, Iraq, and Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and China, it will make a big money in future and making a robotic systems in in the in their places, because the the basic minerals are present in places and the Western Iranian and the Persian places also, Persian Gulf in the places. But if we get the basic minerals, we can produce a material also. China has a chip manufacturing important materials, so that we could not make it chips individually. This is the problem in India. If that is possible, if we add the minerals of the chip making, we can produce our own chips. We can use the chips in the computers, mobiles, and many places also. In future, robotic systems, ultra, for example, uh, sensible skin will be provided in the robots for in future. Is a command. This is what this topic is for. Next one is paper future. Mm, After the 25 years, the paper will be disappear, because the tree also not here. There. Why? We are cutting the trees and destroying the forest in many places. Amazon is rapidly destroying our northern, eastern or eastern and western hills also destroyed. We has a, if we renew the papers in sections, uh, we have renewed a continually paper, but one stage it cannot use that paper in reusable one. In that time we use the cardboard sheets. After the cardboard sheets renewable, it will make to use another one. What will be used in the fresh paper? Which tree will be used? Trying to cut the trees also, starting to now also. In future, it will be a uh, it will be or mostly computer system will be covers the most of the books and libraries and notebooks also. Presently, the AI is recruiting the teachers from many schools and many colleges. Most of the projects are, are making with the AI. In future, we teachers may be teach the ABCD in laptops or hologramic uh, holographic machines. In future, the world still using we use the lab and say the ABCD to teach the student. In future, the holographic projector will teach the child this is A B C D ABCD. This type of teaching will be present in this minimum within a 20 years. Okay, thank you. 5 years for sorry 5 topics over. Goodbye. This is Sabri.